Hey guys, welcome back with an outstanding video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss it if your iPhone apps crashing after iOS 18 update. So simply, guys, if you have update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version, but your apps are not working properly and crashing, so how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply, first of all, guys, you may just open the settings and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, there is the option of VPN. If there is a connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on general and you may click here on software update and you may check, guys, if there is any new update, then guys you may update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. And if you may check, guys, if you have any beta update, then guys you may turn off beta updates and you may update your iPhone or iPad to the latest official version, because there are bugs, maybe bugs in beta updates, and they will remove when you download and install official version. After this, guys, you may go back and you may check here the option of iPhone storage. So you may click here, and if a specific app is lagging or not working properly or crashing, then guys you may uninstall from here and download it again, and you may check your problem will be fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys you may connect your laptop through your iPhone, and you may download and install 3U tools or iTunes store, and you may downgrade your iPhone to previous version, and you may install that previous version in your iPhone, and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.